Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. Alrighty, hey traders. In this video here, I'm going to talk about silver and gold and what's happening right now on silver and gold. So let's get straight into it. Now, the very first thing that I want to share with you that's happening on silver and gold is that we can see here that we had it on this is the silver price here. We had a little bit of a basing pattern where we are right now, a little bit of a basing pattern through here. And then guess what? And then suddenly we had got a bit basing pattern, and then we started the rise. But look where we are right now on silver right now. Had a little bit of a rise through here. And now we're rejecting this $15.75 level. What is that level? Well, if you squeeze the chart up, you can actually see in the past, right? You can see in the past how this level through here, it wasn't really a support level there, but this latest significant level through here, and you can see it actually bounced off through there. So that's given me a couple of touches in the markets of where the market's found support and where it's found support through here as well too. So as you can see, right, support and then also support through there. So we've found a lot of support where we are right now, and then the market's rallied up. So now we're finding a lot of resistance through here. So this still could be, on silver, still could be a market moving on the downside. And same for, if you look at that weekly chart on silver, you can see it's still making these lower highs through here. So this could just be another bear market rally before we drop down. We don't know. I don't know. Is the bottom in? I don't know. I'm not going to try and predict it. But if we start to break above that $17 level, then we could start to see a nice move up as well too. Same with the gold price as well too. The gold price is a bit more of a trickier one because you can see it's actually the gold price is finding a lot of resistance right now on this underside of this trend line through here. So that lot of resistance through there is now likely to find resistance, and will now, and you know, is it gonna break through and break above? I'd say this 1350 level. If it breaks above this 1350 level, then that's where we could start to see some significant move and possibly even a brand new high for gold coming in the next few years if that does happen. But if it holds here and we break start to break down, then we could be getting ready for another leg down in silver and gold as well too, in the silver market and also on the gold market as well too. So that's what I'm seeing there right now, guys, on the silver and gold market. Let me know what you think. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the millionaire mindset master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the master trader breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.